Unwrapping the Deals, Understanding Holiday Sales. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll be diving into a term you've probably heard a lot, especially if you're in an English-speaking country during certain times of the year. Holiday sales. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's important to know. Let's get started. When we talk about holiday sales, we're referring to special promotions and discounts that stores offer during holiday seasons. This is a period when retailers sell their products at reduced prices to encourage more people to shop. It's a win-win. Customers save money, and stores increase their sales. Holiday sales can occur during any major holiday. In the United States, for instance, you might hear about Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales after Thanksgiving. Around the world, Christmas, New Year's, and national holidays are common times for these sales. For businesses, holiday sales are crucial for ending the year on a high note in terms of profit. For shoppers, they offer a chance to buy desired items at lower prices. They're also important for the economy, as they stimulate spending and growth. Let's look at some common phrases. Discounts, a reduction from the usual cost. Promotions, activities aimed at increasing sales. Black Friday, a significant sales day in the U.S. that marks the beginning of the holiday shopping season. Cyber Monday, the Monday following Thanksgiving, known for online shopping deals. When discussing holiday sales, you might say, "Are you planning to shop the holiday sales this year? I got a great deal during the Black Friday sales." I hope this video clarifies what holiday sales are and why they're such a big deal in the retail world. Remember, whether you're a shopper on the lookout for bargains or a business trying to boost your sales, this period is full of opportunities. Happy shopping, and see you in our next English language lesson.